All right, here we are. London is the city and Lord's Cricket Ground is the venue for the third test match, and this is match day -2, and the entire team has assembled here for their first practice session ahead of the third test match. Well, the series, you already know, is right now locked at 1-all, and here we have the Indian players and the coaching staff. As we speak, in the morning when we came here, the entire coaching staff was standing right next to the wicket. They had a pretty good look at the wicket, and it seemed like a green top. But just a few minutes back, some of the grass has been shaved off from this wicket, and that too in the presence of the Indian players and the Indian coaching staff. That also included coach Gautam Gambhir, Morne Morkel. You can see the Indian players have gathered, and now what next? So definitely it was expected that it is not going to be a belter sort of a wicket like we saw at Edgbaston and before that in Leeds. And this is the Lord's Cricket Ground. India's recent record here at Lord's is pretty good. In the last 10 odd years, in the last 1 decade, India has won 3 test matches here. So 14, 18 and 2021. So obviously Indian players would be pretty excited, especially they would have the confidence as well, having beaten England pretty comprehensively in the last test match. So the focus obviously after that victory shifted to Lord's, and also on the wicket that is going to be offered. So you can see there, there's this lady who's going up and down on this wicket, trying to clear the grass, and the Indian players have already started their warm-up sessions, and that begins with running around the ground, and there you go. That's head coach Gautam Gambhir following the Indian players. Now interestingly, here what happens is at Lord's there's this pavilion end. This is the pavilion end, the famous dressing room that you must have seen so many times. This is exactly the ground where Kapil Dev lifted the World Cup in 1983, and where I am sitting right now is the nursery end. So there's a slope. So the bowlers, it will also be interesting how Indian think tank or Indian team management they use their fast bowlers who bowls from that particular end. That would be the pavilion end, because it's a slope. The wicket here is higher on one side, and it's downhill from the other, where I'm standing right now. So this is the interesting part, the wicket. I'll try and give you a closer look of the wicket. Well, there you go. That's not the kind of wicket that we've seen in the series so far, but that's how it is right now. So the Indian players, they've already started their warm-up, and after that they'll have a net session. So the Indian team arrived yesterday, having won the second test match day before yesterday. They came here. Some of the players were also seen traveling to Wimbledon. There you go. It's Morne Morkel, Jasprit Bumrah, Ravindra Jadeja, Gautam Gambhir, Ryan Tundashkate, that's Karun Nair, Sai Sudarshan, and Ravindra Jadeja, and Arshdeep Singh, and Dhruv Jurai. So this is how it is. This is how the Lord's Cricket, the wicket at the Lord's Cricket Ground looks like.